Hello and welcome back to Keeping Up in Disney. So today I have a really cool unboxing for you guys. I am a brand ambassador for Mayra Fabuleux. I'm really excited because today she sent me this giant box and I'm so excited to open it and share with you guys all the goodies that I have in here that she sent me. And by the way, since I am a brand ambassador, if you want to purchase anything that she has on her website, you can use my code Disney15 for 15% off as well. Okay, I'm so excited. So I'm gonna open up the little letter thing she gave me. And it just has her website and her contact info, so that's right there on the bottom as well. All right, so let's get to opening. Oh my god, the first set of ears. Oh, I'm excited.
They all come in those cool bags too.
Look at this. It's Ariel, all the princesses and the princes. This is so pretty. And it has like little jewels along the edge too. I love these so much. Oh! Okay, so they come in these really cool bags, but if you can tell, this is a 50th anniversary pair of ears, and I don't have a 50th anniversary pair of ears yet. This is seriously so pretty and so beautiful. Like, I love this and I will bring this our next trip to Disney. They're still celebrating for the 50th anniversary. Oh, I love these so much. Okay, here's the next pair of ears she sent, and it's Cinderella and the fairy godmother and Gus Gus and Jock. This is so adorable. I love Cinderella, and these ears are so pretty. She truly has the best ears, and they're really good quality and very comfortable to wear because a lot of ears aren't comfy to wear long hours while you're walking around the parks, but hers are always great. I'm loving this one. This one might be my favorite so far. Louis Vuitton hot pink ears. I love these. These are perfect for Valentine's Day and they're just so pretty. I love neon colors too, and I love Louis Vuitton as well. Like, I love these so much. I will definitely be wearing these too around the parks. Oh goodness. She sent this giant basket of candy and it has, oh, and it has a headband in it too. I love these headbands. Okay, this is so pretty. This has pearls embedded on it, and it's a light blush pink, just like the color of my new phone. Oh, I love this so much. It is all Valentine's Day candy for Valentine's Day because it is coming up very soon in a few days. I love Valentine's Day candy, so this is an awesome bonus to this package. I was not expecting this. So she also sent some matching things for me and Ari too as well. Nice. I'm really excited about this one. They're both matching. This is some Peter Pan and the Lost Boys and Wendy ears. And he has a matching Mickey hat with the same pattern on the ears. It's so adorable and so cute, and we cannot wait to wear these back at Disney too. We'll have to wear them in the Magic Kingdom to wear onto Peter Pan's flight. I really
these are
like
awesome.
These. Yeah, these are awesome, and Ari loves to wear hats around the park because he doesn't like the sun.
And I have a lot of Peter Pan backpacks and shirts I can wear these with.
So along with that, she also sent matching Disney princess and prince hat detailed ears as well, just like my ears that I showed before. So this one will be cool. I might even wear some of these hats some days because why not?
Cool. Yeah, I like them a lot. How cool is that?
We have matching 50th anniversary hats and ears now. So Ari's in with the club of the 50th ears, so now he has his hat to match.
Yeah, I love
and he
these.
has a backpack that actually matches this one too, so it's perfect for the 50th anniversary.
These are so cool.
So Ari has a backpack that matches these ears too, which is pretty cool. So he'll definitely be wearing these as well. Anyway, I hope that you enjoyed unboxing my Mayra Fabuleux box with me. And I hope you guys get inspired to go buy some things that she has on her website. So don't forget, we're gonna put her website right here and her Instagram, and don't forget to also use my code Disney15 for 15% off of any of your purchases off of her website. We do have an exciting announcement coming soon for you guys. Stay tuned to our channel and our Instagrams to see what it might be. And thanks for keeping up in Disney, and we'll see you real soon. Bye!